Here to share with you, what are the advantages of electric stone powder ball press? 1. The material extrusion effect is good. High pellet rate, high pellet strength. 2. Roller surface is made of special synthetic manganese steel material, which has good use effect, long life and wide selection range of roller diameter. 3. The double shaft reducer structure, improve the precision of the roller gear using hard tooth surface teeth. 4. The prepress adopts speed regulating motor. All wear parts are surfacing wear resistant alloy, improve the performance and life. 5. The hydraulic station is placed independently, can adjust the pressure, and has the function of overpressure protection. 6. The occupation space is smaller than the existing technology. The motor power loss is small, high efficiency, less maintenance, can be adjusted to the speed of the best value, improve the rate of production. 7. The use of pipeline transportation, fully closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.